Hi, today in this video we will see how to download and install Git in our local machine. We will be using Windows, and in this tutorial we will mainly see the GUI client and also what need to be installed for Git CLI to work instead of command prompt. So we'll go to git-shm.com/download, and here we will download the Windows version. So I have uninstalled all the previous Git that were available. So now I don't have anything related to Git. So the exe file has been downloaded. We'll go and install it. Icon not required. So here you need to click Git GUI and Git bash. So I will show a little demo in the upcoming videos how to use Git GUI, but generally I prefer Git bash because it is easy. Okay, nothing else. Next. Next. Next, we'll keep it all default. Next. Next. So we will keep everything default. Just you need to ensure that the Git GUI and Git bash is installed. Click finish, then we'll go here. So if you see here, we have now Git GUI and Git bash. So from here we can create new repository, clone an existing repository, open an existing repository. This is all through the UI. In our next tutorial we will see how to use it. And this is Git bash, which we will be generally using Git bash only, and we will see how to attach this Git bash in VS Code and all. And then we have Git CMD. So Git CMD is basically same as Git bash only. So whatever we can do using Git GUI, the similar things can be achieved using Git bash. So, and Git bash is, I find it more handy to use it. So in our upcoming tutorials, we will see how to use both this Git GUI and Git bash. That's all for this tutorial. See you again in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye. Have a nice day.